Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to find and use the shadows feature on Canva. I use the word find because it might be hard to find some features in Canva because they are placed differently on different views. But don't worry, I will help you out. Shadows feature which I am talking about is used for images. There is another one which comes under text effects. So if you have elements or text, just download the page as PNG and re-upload as image. Here you can see uh, this is a text. I'm going to download this. And then I'm going to upload it. Once it is uploaded, bring that image to the editable area by dragging it on the page. Okay. Now when you select this image, you will see edit photo button. Click on this. Now you can see, if you see this notification, that means you are in newer version of editor, photo editor. In this version you have to go to under effects, you can find the shadows. Click on that. So I'm not going deep into the shadows feature itself. Here my main motto is to show you where you can find the shadows feature, and once you find that, you can try all the options to see which one fits well for you. So let me try glow here, and after clicking glow I can see few more controls. These options are pretty much familiar to web designers, but once if you are not familiar with this, you can try them out to figure out. So let me try to create a sticker like view. So if I reduce this and bring this to a color, it gives an sticker effect. Okay, this is a new version of photo editor. Now go back. Now in order to show you the older version, I just have to click here to go to the older version. Now the thing is, when I go from newer version to the older version, the newer version changes gets reverted. But to sake of this video, let me go to that version. Again click on editor once again. Now in here, shadows are placed predominantly on the panel itself, so you will not have any problem finding the shadows here. if you have clicked image here, then go to image, then go to shadows. Here again I can find this. Again I am presented with the controls once I click glow. Then I can see in the older version there are few lesser controls like intensity. I don't find intensity over here. Click on apply. Now good thing is, if you are in older version, if you want to go to the newer version, you just have to click here. You are in a newer version. Again you can, as I told, shadows are found in effects. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.